Thank you, Professor Saloni. Very good morning to everybody. I'm carrying a paper with me because I have too many people to thank and welcome today. So very good morning again to everybody present in Lloyd campus in this beautiful auditorium where the stage is all set with flowers. We have just performed the puja, so there is a divine aroma all around. We just witnessed this beautiful performance, and I think for many of us it is such an overwhelming experience to see such beautiful bright faces today. First time coming to Lloyd campus for their higher education. So first and foremost, a very hearty welcome to all the students of PGDM batch 24-26, and we hope that you are happy, excited, a little nervous, feeling a little adventurous also to take on this two years journey with us. A very, very warm welcome to all of you. So today for you is a day of new beginnings and endless limits. Beginning आपकी नई है, लेकिन अंत नहीं है इसका कुछ. जो ये आपने आज कदम उठाया है of higher education, you have moved on from being a graduate and taken that plunge. You have been courageous to delve into higher education and management, जो बहुत लोग at least हिंदुस्तान में नहीं कर पाते. So it is you who have taken this step, and I congratulate you on taking this brave step and stepping into higher education. I once again congratulate all of you for taking this plunge with Lloyd Business School. Lloyd Business School is not only a business school, we are a Lloyd family. जो भी आपने पिछले 15-20 मिनट में witness भी किया होगा. The students who performed on the stage are of a different department, and how beautifully they performed to welcome and invite God here and to welcome all of you. When you meet your teachers, when you meet your mentors, when you meet the people around, you will realize that you are not in a business school. You are amongst a family. With this, I also feel that we are all blessed by the Almighty, that we are all together here. You know, as they say, there are no coincidences in life. जो भी हो रहा है, that the dots have already been put in place, but it is for us to see how the dots connect. आज हम अगर इस हॉल में इकट्ठे हैं, लॉयड कैंपस में एक साथ हैं, something has already been planned by God. It has already been planned by the Almighty that we help make your career here through Lloyd Business School. Firstly, I thank our president, Mr. Manoj Therani, whom if you wish you can meet after the orientation in his office. It is because of his unwavering support, which is in terms of infrastructural developments. You will realize when you go to your beautiful classrooms. In terms of all kind of financial support, a lot of guidance in getting the facilities that we have at Lloyd, especially for the students of PGDM. और धीरे-धीरे करके एक-एक करके हम उन पे भी अभी बात करेंगे. Also, I would like to thank our very, very dedicated faculty of Lloyd Business School, led by our Dean, Professor Ripu Daman Sir, Dr. Kriti, Dr. Femina, and Dr. Mohanty, our area chairs, Dr. Mata, Dr. Neetu, Professor Neha, Dr. Rajita, Professor Mohit, Dr. Sachin, Dr. Atul, Kapoor Sir, Saloni ma'am. You must have been assured by now that you are in good hands. And not only are they mentors to you, but also they are going to be your faculty, not only for the subject they teach, but also guide you towards corporate culture and what the corporate awaits you. जब आप कल को इंडस्ट्री में जाएंगे इंटर्नशिप के लिए या जॉब करने के लिए, तो ज़रूरी नहीं है जो सब्जेक्ट आप अभी पढ़ रहे हैं वो सभी सब्जेक्ट आपके वहाँ पे इस्तेमाल होंगे, लेकिन आपको एग्जैक्टली कॉर्पोरेट में क्या चाहिए वो आपको ये फैकल्टी बताएंगे. And you will soon realize कि आप ये जो हमारे फैकल्टी हैं इनसे आप कभी भी बात कर सकते हैं कॉलेज में, especially in college hours. Just go and speak with them. Their doors are always open. We have an open door policy. कोई आपको पहले ईमेल पे अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं लेना है किसी से बात करने के लिए. As long as you are talking productive, as long as you have a growth mindset, you want to understand things which are good for your future, feel free to walk into their cabins and talk anytime to get any kind of guidance. There have been relentless efforts of the admission team led by our director, Madam Dr. Alka, who through very strict and rigorous selection process have selected each one of you to be at Lloyd Business School. Our exams and interviews might not be as difficult as a CAT, but the kind of process that we follow, we see that you are the right fit to study at Lloyd Business School. We understand every child has a different acumen of mind. हर एक बच्चा हार्ड वर्क तो करता है पर इतना ब्लेस नहीं है कि कैट के 99 परसेंटाइल तक चला जाए. So the admissions team has been very, very instrumental to see that we only cater to students who have that learning attitude. You might have obtained 70%, 75, 80% in your grad years. You might have cleared your MAT exam. You might have gone through a personal interview process here. But the only thing that the admission team has looked into is that each one of you has that vigor to learn कि हम ये ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सीखें और उन चीज़ों में स्किल हों जिनसे हम हायर एजुकेशन के लिए आए हैं, जिसके लिए हमें कॉर्पोरेट में जगह मिलेगी या फिर जिसके थ्रू हम अपना एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप वेंचर शुरू कर सकते हैं. सो थैंक यू मैडम एंड द टीम. आज हमारे पास पेरेंट्स भी हैं बच्चों के साथ कुछ. सो आई टेक दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी टू वेलकम वेरियस पेरेंट्स दैट आई कैन सी हियर. और कई साल हो गए, मेरे ख्याल से हम लोग की उम्र बराबर होगी ऑलमोस्ट, जब हम लोग कॉलेज में एडमिशन लिए थे. शायद आप लोगों को याद हो मैडम सर. और एक ही हमारा तब क्राइटेरिया होता था कि माँ बाप के ज़्यादा पैसे नहीं लग जाएं. So when we studied through scholarships. That was in the mid 1990s. और ये था कि माँ बाप के कम से कम पैसे खर्च हों और हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा रिवॉर्ड उन्हें दे सकें. So I think the students of today, आज जो आप बैठे हैं, you are very very blessed students कि आपके पास ऐसे set of parents हैं जो एक प्राइवेट कॉलेज में लाखों रुपए की फीस आपके लिए अफोर्ड कर रहे हैं. हो सकता है कईयों के मीन्स भी ना हो. Quite possible that your parents don't have the means to spend. हो सकता है फार्मर फैमिली से आते हैं, कईयों के बच्चे मिडिल क्लास से हैं, लोअर मिडिल क्लास से हैं. And sometimes it's very difficult for parents to afford this education. But why they are doing that is for your future. इस उम्र में, I think at the age of 45 to 50, if they are taking a loan from their organization or bank, they'll have a very tough time repaying the loan in their organization. हो सकता है कुछ बच्चों ने लोन लिया हो, एजुकेशन लोन, which is the trend these days, which is absolutely fine. आप अपनी एजुकेशन खुद फंड करिए, लोन लीजिए, and as soon as you join your corporate, you start repaying the loan. So for those parents जो ये एजुकेशन अफोर्ड कर रहे हैं, I think there is only salutations to you. आप बहुत बड़ा काम कर रहे हैं कि अपने बच्चों को इस टाइप की एजुकेशन में एनरोल करा रहे हैं. और आज आप कैंपस में आए बच्चे को छोड़ने के लिए और देखने के लिए that they are all set, they are in right hands. जहाँ पे आप सपोर्ट कर रहे हैं अपने बच्चों को, वो सही जगह है और सही सेट ऑफ फैकल्टी है. So thank you very much for coming over today. To all the parents, you're all welcome to Lloyd family, students, parents. I also welcome Dr. Subrat, who is here with us today as the guest of the day. In the next 5 days of orientation, you will see that we will have a lot of corporate guests. बहुत कुछ होने वाला है 5 दिन में, आप लोगों ने आइटनरी देखी होगी. There will be industry guests, very senior industry guests like Dr. Subrat, जो आपसे कॉर्पोरेट की बात करेंगे. एक आपको छवि दिखाएंगे कि जब आप यहाँ से 2 साल बाद निकलेंगे तो आपको कहाँ जॉब करना है. और बेहतर है वो छवि हम अभी देख लें ताकि हमें पता रहे कि हमें ये 2 साल में क्या करना है, क्या बनना है, और ताकि हम उसके लिए तैयार हों. जैसे मिस इंडिया कॉन्टेस्ट होता है, कल कॉन्टेस्ट है तो आज तो तैयारी नहीं करेंगे. सो दे आर शोन द वीडियोज ऑफ अर्लियर ब्यूटी पेजेंट्स एंड ऑल. यू हैव टू डाइट सो मच, इतना आपको स्लिम होना है, ऐसा लगना है, ऐसा चलना है. सेम इज इन कॉर्पोरेट. यू कांट प्रिपेयर ऑन द लास्ट डे कि अब हमें कॉर्पोरेट जाना है, आज हमें तैयारी करनी है. योर प्रिपरेशन बिगिंस टुडे. So when you meet all these people from the industries, make sure कि आप उनके पीछे पड़ जाओ. Take their LinkedIn IDs, you know, try and get their cards if possible. Don't call them after that, but maybe write them some polite emails, introducing yourself, telling them that you met at orientation of Lloyd and that you will like to learn more about what happens in their corporate, ताकि वो आपको आगे guide करे. It's again very fortunate कि आपको इतनी जल्दी इतने close encounter हो रहा है with very senior people in the corporate. मतलब आप यहाँ बैठे हैं और वो यहाँ हैं, so you are very close. You are at a distance when you can talk to them, which was earlier not possible. It is like talking to Amitabh Bachchan on Twitter, you know, because he is approachable now. Otherwise, had we ever thought कि हम कभी communicate कर पाएंगे direct with all these celebrities? So these corporate guests are like celebrities for you. Make the best use of this opportunity during the orientation and after the orientation also, for regular interactions that you have with these corporate people, which our very able placement team will be getting to the campus. So I welcome the placement team, Mr. Shyam and Sarthi, who are here with us today. So Sarthi sir and Shyam sir will be taking care of your internships and your placements. And not only कि आपको जब interviews होंगे तब उनकी ज़रूरत पड़ेगी, but I think now is the time that you go and speak with them as in what are your dream companies and how you should prepare to get into those dream companies. You know, everybody has that in mind कि मुझे ये 2 साल करने के बाद Amazon जाना है या Adobe जाना है या non-tech company में जाना है, you know, some good HR company, McKinsey में जाना है, consulting में जाना है. So you have those things in mind. If you have dream companies, go meet the placement team, tell them what your dream companies are, so that you can start preparing accordingly. And they will be of big help to you. A lot of things, like I said you, for which we have to thank our management and our president, Sir Mr. Tharani, is a lot of facilities that have been brought in so that you develop. I'll name a couple of those. For example, we do the biggest job fest in India here, which we started in 2016, which now a lot of colleges have started to do. पर 2016 में जब हमने ये फेस्टिवल शुरू किया, जॉब फेस्ट, जिसको नियुक्ति हमने नाम दिया, तो पहले साल तकरीबन 500-550 बच्चे हमारे पास आए and we had close to 20 companies from all across India. ये बच्चे हमारे नहीं थे, it was like a festival जिसमें कोई भी बच्चे participate कर सकते हैं, और वो 20 companies Lloyd campus में थे एक दिन के लिए. And we saw such a fulfilling experience it was. What were we? We were only an interface between the company and the students. So students will only register about what kind of job they want, and companies will post their requirements, and we do a matching. 2016 was a resounding success, followed by 2017, 18, 19. In fact, 2020 also, when there was COVID, our job fest was so popular that we had to do a virtual job fest, ताकि बच्चे उन जॉब से वंचित नहीं रहें. And companies were so used to recruiting from us that they were all demanding that we do a job fest. So we did 1 year, and then 2021 also there was second wave of COVID. So we did online virtual job fest which went on for 8 days, where we had companies coming online and students coming online and interviews were happening. We just did in April this year, we have a collaboration with IBM, and we offer courses in analytics and artificial intelligence. So we have Dr. Neetu here with us. She's an expert on AI and analytics. And when we started this course in 2018 with IBM, within a span of 15 days, we had a full seat. We had only 40 seats and we had to close admissions. And now we see the results because AI is so much in demand. अभी आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस के लिए आपको कोई रॉकेट साइंस नहीं पढ़ना पड़ता. अब अपना फोन उठाते हैं, वो भी AI से है, कॉन्फ़िगर्ड, मॉनिटर्ड, और मतलब everything from your morning to evening you are using AI during shopping, finding recipes, even mothers who are here. Everything is driven by artificial intelligence. So now we see what was the rush about in 2018 when we started the course. Even now we have integrated IBM courses in not only analytics, लेकिन अगर आपने एनरोल किया है HR में, finance में, marketing में, entrepreneurship में, किसी भी field में, you get to study analytics as a part of our curriculum. Because see, technology is not only for technology students कि आपने BTech किया है. In fact, अगर अभी आप टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं पढ़ेंगे, then you are going to face a problem 2 years from now जब आप जॉब ढूंढने जाओगे. For example, सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग अभी हम सुनते हैं, क्या है? सब लोग इंस्टाग्राम यूज करते हैं, सब लोग इंस्टा पे हैं. आजकल हम शॉपिंग कैसे करते हैं? स्क्रॉल करके कि इंस्टा पे जो प्रोडक्ट आ रहा है, फिर हम उसको सर्च करते हैं and then we do shopping. So मार्केटिंग के स्टूडेंट के लिए सोशल मीडिया मार्केटिंग पढ़ना कितना जरूरी है? If you're a marketing student, you go for a job in an organization tomorrow and you don't know how to put your product on social media so that it sells, nobody is going to hire you. So you have to study analytics. If you are yourself an entrepreneur, अगर आप अपना बिजनेस शुरू करना चाहते हैं, you have to make decisions. बिजनेस डिसीजन आपको करना है कि सपोज दुकान ही खुली है, कौन सी जगह में दुकान खुली, ये कैसे पता लगेगा आपको? डिपेंडिंग ऑन ऑलरेडी वहाँ कितने शॉप्स हैं, कितना बिजनेस है, बट यू विल नॉट गो डोर टू डोर आस्किंग कि कितना बिजनेस है, कितने शॉप्स हैं. यू विल डू सम पास्ट एनालिसिस एंड डिसाइड वेदर यू वांट टू कैरी ऑन विद दिस बिजनेस और not. So for everything, IBM is going to help you in the courses, and we are the fortunate ones that in the entire this area of Greater Noida and I think Delhi NCR, the kind of collaboration that we have with IBM that no other institute offers. You will be meeting the SME of IBM, I think, on Wednesday. We have a very beautiful stock trading lab on the second floor. आप यहाँ जाएंगे तो आप देख सकते हैं ऊपर. And for students of finance, and thanks to Dr. Mata, who is the area chair of finance, and he is the go-to person for finance, not only in our institute, but very well sought after by everybody who is studying finance. So we have a stock trading lab. अगर आपका interest है trading में, और अभी जो traders हैं वो बोलते हैं कि अभी आप पानी पे भी पैसा लगा दोगे 5 साल तो आपका grow हो जाएगा पैसा. But where exactly to put money? That needs a lot of sense, and that's not really common sense. It needs a sense of trading to understand that business. So you will be happy to know that we have a stock trading lab here, where you will do short courses on how to invest money. So you can do mock investments initially, and then see whether you are ready to put actual money in trading. And obviously there will be a lot of hand holding done by the team under Dr. Mata and Dr. Sinha. We have a program of international immersion. आप में से बहुत सारे लोगों ने अभी तक शायद ब्रोशर देखा होगा मलेशिया का. So very soon you are all going to fly down to Malaysia in a month or so. And the kind of learnings that you are going to get globally as well is not only the university you attend or the industries you see, the culture that you see, the team building that you have when you are traveling together, when you are eating together, when you are in the bus, when you're in the flight, or when you are staying together for those 4-5 days, then the learning is collaborative. और ऐसा ही एक हमारा domestic collaborative session भी होता है. This time we did in Jim Corbett, where again the learning is not, just the lessons that you learn in the book, but it is more so in the leadership that you learn when you work as a team. And that definitely is going to be very exciting. You're all going to enjoy these two experiences. We have a continued placement assistance program here, where it's not about if you find one job in 2026, you cannot take another job in 2027. You can come back to us a year later, and if you want more assistance in finding a better job or a different kind of job, then we'll be happy to assist you, which most of the IIMs have this kind of continued placement assistance only. We have an incubator here led by Dr. Ajita, who takes care of entrepreneurship program of PGTM. So any business ideas you have, all you have to bring to us is an idea, and you will see how big we make it for you by connecting you to the right people. You have the idea, we get you the money, we get you the guidance, and you will be able to take up your idea into something fruitful. Mentorship, you've already witnessed, you are all in touch with your mentors, and I request all of you कि अगर आपको कोई भी doubt है किसी चीज़ में, कुछ पूछना चाहते हैं, just don't rely on unofficial sources. आपस में एक दूसरे से भी कुछ सवाल हैं तो बेहतर है ना पूछिए, क्योंकि अभी हम नौसिखे हैं. Your mentor is the right person to go to ask about anything related to the institute, infrastructure, certifications, professional, even your fees, further guidance, teachers, if you want to change from one program to the other, because a couple of students are in core PGTM, and we normally advise students to pick one specialization. वो बोलते हैं ना, a jack of all trades and a master of none. So कई बारी you don't end up learning that much specialization that you should. So I encourage all the students of core to talk to their mentor and pick at least one specialization, so you are able to find a niche. नहीं तो हम सब कुछ थोड़ा थोड़ा सीखेंगे और उतना स्पेशलाइजेशन एक सब्जेक्ट में नहीं कर पाएंगे जितना हमें जॉब के लिए ज़रूरत है. Last but not the least, we have got one is IMA Business Lab, which is simulation practices like capstones which IIMs offer, which is again very interesting. You will all be given logins of a business lab, and you will form teams and virtually have your own organization where you will put in money in the production, put in money in marketing, see the profits rising or falling. So that's a simulation kind of a lab, which is exciting. And last but not the least is the Catalyst, which is an annual fest of Lloyd. It's a cultural fest, and in the past we have witnessed your favorite singers and performers like Kumar Vishwas, Darshan Rawal. In fact, we also had Neha, the singer once. So a lot of people are there for that 3-day fest, and you're going to have a lot of fun as well, apart from studies. बहुत सारे चेहरे अभी ऐसे नज़र आ रहे हैं जो थोड़े थोड़े मायूस हैं या सीरियस हैं. I don't know अगर आप लोग नर्वस हैं या एक्साइटेड हैं, लेकिन everybody had a beginning, once. Even they say the mighty oak was once a seed. जो बहुत बड़ा ओक का पेड़ होता है, बहुत बड़ा पेड़, वो पहले क्या था, शुरू कहाँ से हुआ था? From a seed. वो भी पहले सिर्फ एक seed था. Then became the tree. So if you are feeling too small now कि इतनी बड़ी बड़ी बातें हो रही हैं, sometimes it is overwhelming, कि बहुत कुछ है, and then you don't know where to start, what to do. क्लास में इतने सारे बच्चे हैं, पहले किससे बात करें, इतने सारे कोर्सेज हैं, पहले कौन सा शुरू करें. There is too much sometimes, which is overwhelming. So we understand that, but with time you're going to learn, like we learned the lessons. Cricket, very, very recent. Congratulations to everybody on winning the T20. And the team was always very good, but in between there was a slump. But thanks to our, the passion of cricket in our people, that they made a comeback again. You know, Bumrah को खेलते देखा है सबने? You know the kind of background that Bumrah came from? मालूम है किसी को? कहाँ से आए वो, क्या बैकग्राउंड था, कैसे इतने बड़े बन गए, अभी कितना पॉपुलर है, कितना करोड़ों रुपया कमाया, मालूम है किसी को? So Bumrah came from a very small place in Ahmedabad. That was his determination कि मुझे करना है, वो उनका जज्बा, और सबसे ज़्यादा important was about his passion to perform under pressure. आप लोगों ने ये देखा भी होगा मैच में. Always under pressure अगर टीम है, so they will have Bumrah bowl, and under pressure he was not crumbling. Similarly, Mohammad Siraj, you've all seen him, you've all witnessed his play. Mohammad Siraj कहाँ से आए और क्या background था उनका? Again, Mohammad Siraj came from a very humble background. His father was, you know who his father was? जब बोलते हैं मालूम है मेरा बाप कौन है? He had no such father. His father was an auto rickshaw driver. Such a humble background he came from, and where he reached. Again, क्या जज्बा था? सिर्फ achieve करने का, कि मुझे करना है. Coming from an auto rickshaw son, coming from a very humble background with all financial problems, and achieving so much just because of that passion. So ऐसा नहीं है कि सुंदर पिचाई ने कर लिया या इलॉन मस्क ने कर लिया और नहीं उनके माहौल अलग थे उन्होंने कर लिया, ऐसा नहीं है. We are also that tiny seed जो कि कल को बहुत बड़ा oak tree बन सकता है. आजकल इतना स्टार्टअप कल्चर है, हम देखते हैं the Paytm founder विजय शेखर, you've all heard about him. Paytm सब यूज करते हैं. How he started, again very humble background with all financial troubles in the family. और कई बार, एक बार नहीं हुआ financial trouble, repeatedly हुआ, but innovation, क्या out of the box सोचा, Paytm बनाते हैं, online digital payment platform, which everybody is using in India. So those are the learnings. Ritesh Agarwal, the founder of OYO, क्या था innovation, कि एक affordable housing बनानी. So those are the things which set you apart. आज आप यहाँ बैठे हैं इस कुर्सी पर, a very humble beginning you are making. But what can make you big? Out of the box thinking, innovation. कुछ अलग सोचते हैं, कुछ अलग करते हैं. और आज आप खुद से ये promise करते हैं कि I will make this happen. मैं सिर्फ यहाँ 2 साल पढ़ के वो 6 लाख, 8 लाख, 10 लाख की नौकरी लेने के लिए नहीं आया हूँ या आई हूँ. I am going to make it big in my career. Make a promise, not to your friends. Don't post it anywhere on social media. Make a promise to yourself कि I am going to make it big. And with this promise, I welcome you again to Lloyd's campus, to Lloyd's family, for your wonderful PGDM program and curriculum. And let's embark on this journey together. Let's see if this becomes our best batch ever. And I have full hopes on all of you. And I wish you all the very best and a lot of love and blessings to each one of you. Thank you very much.